Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Necessary Period, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, you guys, I will be installing this bust down 36 inches of hair, brought to you by Cranberry hair. So thank you so much to Cranberry for sponsoring today's video. 36 inches of hair, baby. Like, y'all see it? Like, do you see this hair, y'all? Like, this hair is so silky, so nice, minimal shedding, doesn't feel synthetic at all. It feels super good, super soft. It just feels so freaking great, y'all. Like, I would not cap to y'all, like, this is one of the best straight hairs that I've received in a very long time, you guys. Like, it's just worth every dollar. So make sure you check the link in the description box down below to see the link, to get the link for this hair, y'all. If you want to see how I install this wig, then keep on watching. Just a quick disclaimer, you guys, at the end of the video my battery was like giving me problems because it wasn't holding any charge. So I went in with the Evans spray and like did like 3 layers and just lay them down and did my baby hair as like period. I didn't even flat iron this hair. Like, this is how good this hair is. Like, it looks so freaking nice. Like, it just looks so good, you guys. Like, period. Cranberry, y'all did y'all want with this hair, okay? Period. So if you want Okay y'all, so this is the final product of the hair, you guys. Ooh child, like yes, it's giving everything that needs to be gave. It looks so freaking good, y'all. Like I didn't even flat iron this hair, you guys. I just hot combed the top like in sections. I'm pretty sure I recorded that part, but y'all, like this hair is just, oh my god, minimal shedding, you guys. I really did enjoy working with this hair. So thank you so much to Cranberry again for sponsoring this video. If you guys like what you see or like what's on my page, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications to my channel to get notified every time you go post a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.